Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rainbow Six Siege on ROG Ally. First, make sure your ROG Ally's drivers and BIOS are completely up to date. This ensures the best compatibility and performance for your gaming experience. Next, install Rainbow Six Siege using your chosen game launcher, such as Ubisoft Connect. A stable internet connection, preferably a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, is crucial for seamless online matches. You'll be ready to jump into the action in no time. To get the best experience, fine-tune your in-game graphics settings. Aim for a balance that provides clear visuals without sacrificing a smooth frame rate. Switch your ROG Ally's operating mode to Turbo to unlock its full processing potential. For consistent performance, especially a steady 60 frames per second, consider playing at a resolution of 1080 pixels or 720 pixels. These adjustments will significantly enhance your gameplay. Mastering Rainbow Six Siege on your ROG Ally involves optimizing your controls. Take advantage of the Ally's customizable buttons to map actions in a way that feels natural and responsive for you. Spend some time practicing with the default controller layout to quickly get a feel for the game's mechanics. Don't forget to adjust controller dead zones and sensitivity settings to achieve precise aiming and fluid movement, giving you an edge in every match. To further enhance your Rainbow Six Siege experience, consider connecting an external monitor, keyboard, and mouse. This setup provides a more traditional PC gaming feel, which many players prefer for competitive play. A high-quality headset is also invaluable for picking up crucial audio cues and communicating effectively with your team. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep easier, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.